Hello friends, I'm Mohit. Welcome to SLPS Wellness product ordering video. Here I'll tell you how to order products on slpswellness.com website. So first you have to go to the SLPS Wellness website, and there are two ways. If you know the website, you can just type SLPS Wellness on your screen here. So you can just type SLPS Wellness on Google. You will see that there are results. So login, you can just go to the login screen, login SLPS Wellness Private Limited. Here you have your user login. You have to use your username, that is your user ID, and your password in order to log in into the account. Here is one message from our legal manager. You can go through it, and then you have to press enter panel. There's some problem with my computer, just wait for it. So we're doing it again. I just logged in. This is the message from our legal manager. You have to enter the panel, then it will take you to the dashboard. Here it is. Here how it looks. So today you are here to order the products, so I'll take you directly where you from the point where you can order the product. So the point is repurchase. Here it's a drop down menu, and when you click on it, 4 options comes up. So here is new purchase that you have to go to. Once you click on the new purchase, it will load the part where you can purchase this item or your products of slpswellness.com. Here is taking a little long. So this is how it looks once it opens. So this is the default address that you get. If you do not want to use it, you can use shipping address. Like if you're living somewhere else, like the addresses of your native place, and the place where you want to get these product delivered is somewhere different, then you can type it here. But if you want the same address to be your shipping address, you can just check in here, same as profile address. That address will be copied down here this way. But I do not want to do that. I'm living away from my native place, so I'll type my shipping address here. Just say I live in First Street, New Delhi 110001. Now comes shipping mobile. Shipping mobile is the number that the courier company will take to contact you. So you can write the recent number that you're using. Only write the number that you're using right now. So let's say I'm using this number, and then shipping pin code, that is which I already provided here, and then comes the payment mode. You can pay through cash, check, DD, and of course you can transfer bank to bank online things. So here I'm selecting cash, but in case if you are paying through check, DD, or then you can just write down the details here. Your check or DD number, let's say it's 11111, bank, it's your ICICI, branch name New Delhi, and your transaction number, let's say it's again 11111. So you have to write it down all here, so that the admins on the back end team can note it down and confirm the payment that you have got. But as I'm doing it through cash, or I'm transferring it online, so I'm just letting it clean. So next you have to select your admin through which you will be ordering the product. Just let it be main admin, and the company will automatically select it for you. Then comes the sale group. If you're ordering it for the first time, then you won't say it, but as I'm ordering it again, so I have to select one of it. Let's say I'm ordering it for my SAO. But now comes the product part. You can select the products that you want. Let's say I want to order herbal face wash. I need 10 quantities of it. I'm adding it. Are you sure to add this product? Okay. So in order to get your ID green, you have to order 100 SP of products. This particular product gave me 10 SP. I need 100 SP. So let's say I want Punch Tulsi. I'm ordering 10 pieces of it. I'm adding it. So it's not mandatory that you order the products that I'm selecting. You can order product as per your choice or as per your need. So the next I need is Orthodox 10, add. Now it is 160 SP, so of course I want to remove some product, and in case if you need this quantity, you can obviously order this much quantity. Now let's say orthodox 5. Okay, so it's 95 now. Now I need Dentodoc 5 at, wait for it. Once it is added, you see this is 100 SP of product. The net amount that comes is 14,444 and 60 paisa. You know, there is no shipping charge. The remarks that you have to is first order, and then you have to save it. Are you sure to save this sales transaction? Okay. Now there will be an OTP that you will receive on your mobile. You have to close it, and this will take to your this number. So I have received my OTP and I'm gonna save it. Once you save it, you will see bill saved successfully. Close it. This is how you order, but in order to get your ID green, you have to confirm the payment. And how do you see the payment? You have to go to repurchase, modify purchase order, and this is the date. Just select the date from which you have ordered and say you have selected show. Now here you can say that I have ordered a product worth 14,444 and 60 paisa today. So I have to transfer this much amount to a Asclepius bank account that you will get from your leaders, your upline. Now let's say I have transferred this much money from my internet account. I have taken this screenshot of it, and I'll send this confirmation to a Asclepius Wellness backend team. This is idgreening@asclepiuswellness.com, to where you have sent this email. The subject would be very simple: ID greening for your the username or your ID with the company. Mine is this, right? So there is a format that you have to use in order to send this, and this is the format. I will use this format in description. You can copy it from the description of my YouTube channel. Here, kindly activate my ID. This is my ID. You have to replace it with your ID, otherwise this won't work. Okay, and get my selected products delivered to my address. Please find attached receipt. This is again, you have to leave it as it is, 01. Here this is your ID, and this is the amount that you are going to send. So it was 14444 point, confirm it again, 0.60. This is 100 SP worth the same, 14444.60. now the payment mode that I used was IMPS, and this the place from where I sent this, and this is the date when I sent it. Amount deposited in account number, you have to mention the account number, because I used ICICI Bank Limited, the ICICI Bank of Asclepius. This is ICICI Bank Limited, and this is the account number of theirs. Now deposited amount 14444.60. you have to write it again. Mode IMPS, transaction reference number, let's say it was 1111110000, and then my account number, the account number from which the money has been transferred, so they can confirm it from their end, and then amount deposited by, then comes your name. And please feel free to contact in case of any query. Thanks and regards. And now you have to mention your name and your number, so that they can contact you in case they are not confirming your payment, right? And then you have to send it. I'm not sending it right now because I'm not going to order it. It was just a demo, but you have to send it. Once you send it, you will receive a mail from the backend. You will receive a mail from idgreening@asclepiuswellness.com that they have confirmed it. In case they have not confirmed it, you will get the mail regarding wise. This is how you order a product. Once you do it, all your bill details will come here, and I'm signing off. I wish you all the best. The details are in the description. Please go through them. And in case if you have any query, please do post on my under this video. Thank you very much.